good there. I don't know what these things are like, whether they're cast perfect or not. But that seems to be a happy place for that. Just needs and wants to go down on this corner. Let's give it a little tip. A love tap, as they say. That's pretty good. There we go. Happy with that. A bunch of mortar in down the sides. Keep it in that happy place. Let's put a bit. Let me get that on there. One final check. Are we plumb? Oh, don't lean on it, Rich, because that will change it. We are good. And we are good. That is good. Das is good. Hello, Stefan and Olga. That is good, yeah? Right, let's backfill this. You might be wondering, why have I got a pipe facing down like that? So when the septic tank is installed over there, there's going to be an outlet pipe, and that is going to connect into here and then go out into the river, and that's basically like clean water essentially after it's been through the septic tank and it's been processed. It's like a microstation, they call them in France. I've just put an elbow on there pointing down so nothing can get up in there. Pop this stick in the ground here, and then when we backfill, I'll know exactly where to dig to then reinstate the pipe later on. that was a long day. It's getting dark. I'm not quite sure if you guys can actually see me properly, but yeah, it is what it is. Right, a quick run through in the gloom. We have regarde ici. Nous avons beaucoup de tuyaux sur la terre. Yeah, I'm not going to do any more French. So yeah, we got all the pipe work in, and that's a good thing. I'm very, very happy. Merlin got on very, very well today. It's very dark. I don't think you can see it properly, but there's the reveals. They look very, very nice. But again, I don't think you can see too much of what's there. But yeah, for those of you wondering, what's this? Well, this is where we've run out of panels. So we are waiting for a sheet that they are going to send us that's going to go over all of this and cover all this. So this pliage, this reveal here, it's going to come off, and we'll put this sheet on top, screw it onto this, we'll screw it and glue it, and then screw and fix the final bits of pliage onto here. Now that's not coming until November at some point, hopefully at the beginning. So yeah, hopefully by the end of the week the pliage will be done, hopefully, but there are going to be a few bits and pieces that we can't do, like we don't have that little window above the door yet, so until we have that, we can't fit all the pliage. Anyway, enough waffle. I hope you have enjoyed this one. Got a lot done today. It took a while to get going, but yeah, I feel like I've accomplished a lot. So see you next time. Like and subscribe, and hype if you could. Bye bye.